Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. Today is our second day to explore Mahabaleshwar and we are going to go in Panchgani. Before that, we had a very good breakfast and the menu over here does not repeat. Yesterday we were planning to have pav bhaji but we had something else and today it wasn't there. But the quality of the food is excellent and we are just waiting for our cab to come. And our first spot for today is the Parsi Point, which is just exactly over here. It got its name because this locality was developed by the Parsi people, and still till today there are Parsi people residing near to the Mahabaleshwar and even at this spot. You can listen to the songs because today is the Datta Jayanti, and that's the reason they are playing the Lord Dattatreya song, and it's very well decorated. I would say a good start to the day. We got the blessings. So now off to the second part. Next spot for today is the Sydney Point, and this is how it looks. There is the walking bridge, which is wooden, and it got its name because of the Sir Sidney Beckworth, who was a chief commander officers during that time in the in what was it?
Government of Mumbai.
In the government of Bombay. Nowadays we don't call it Bombay; it's Mumbai. And this location is very famous to have a look around the Krishna Valley and to see the water bodies around it.
Right now it's foggy.
Yeah. But it's nice to walk on this bridge. Sidhu. It's beautiful still.
या नाही पकड ना इथे इथे डायरेक्ट बसा पाय करून ओके हॅलो पुढे मार हे हाईटच्या हिशोबाने करायला वर घेता येईल हे ठीक आहे गाईड बघा तुम्हाला ही हाईट ठीक आहे का जरा खाली गेले का तिथे पकडा फक्त लोखंडाला हे दादा असतात घोडे बरोबर ट्रेन घोडे त्यामध्ये पॉइंटला उतरवतो बरं बिंदास बसा आणि समोर बघायचं जरा उनका बॅलन्स कर आधी
And this is Oreo. She's a female horse.
जे तुम्ही बोर्ड बॅनर वाचलं ना आता खाली ते ह्या टेबलसाठी 20 एकरसाठी दिलेलं आहे आणि फक्त घोड्याला परमिशन तिकडे दिलेलं आहे टांग्याला तिकडे परमिशन नाही आणि सगळे पण त्या टेबल लँडला आहे. आता इथे तुम्हाला पाहण्यासाठी ताई हजारो वर्षापूर्वीचे पांडवांचे फुटमास आहेत जेव्हा त्यांना 12 वर्षाचा वनवास 13 वर्ष अज्ञातवास होता ते फुटमास दाखवतो. पठारावरती एकच नॅचरल झाड जे गाणं होतं ना पूछो जरा पूछो मुझे क्या राजन हिंदुस्थानीचं त्या स्पॉटला घेऊन जातो. 2 गुफा आहेत तुम्हाला वेगळ्या ठिकाणी खूप मोठ्या गुफा आहेत. आता तुम्ही समजा इथून एंट्री केली घोड्याने उतरला आणि स्टेप उतरून गेला आतमध्ये नॅचरली आतमध्ये तर इथून तो व्हाईट टांगा दिसतो का बग्गी विक्टोरिया एवढं तुम्ही खालून जाता आतमध्ये लंब्या चौड्या आहेत. आज सिस्टम बनवली गुफेर असते आर्टिफिशियल टायगर आहेत गेम्स आहेत खेळायला. एका दुसरी गुफा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये शंकराचं मंदिर आहे आणि दोन्हीमध्ये कॅफे रेस्टॉरंट आहे गार्डन तिथे तुम्ही आरामात चाय कॉफी वगैरे ब्रेकफास्ट करू शकता. एक आमचा गाईड तुमच्यावर आतमध्ये येतो तुम्हाला फोटो वगैरे काढण्यासाठी. एक लेक आहे बाजीराव मस्तानीचा चेन्नईचा जे गार होतं ना पूर्ण शूटिंग त्या लेक पॉईंटचं ऑन द स्पॉट लेकला आम्ही तुम्हाला घेऊन जातो. पठारावरतीच आहे जिथे सर्वात जास्त शूटिंग केल्या जातात हिंदी पिक्चर साऊथ पिक्चर मराठी पिक्चर त्या बेस्ट पॉईंट शूटिंग पॉईंटला घेऊन जातो. आणि जे पाचगणी पूर्ण परिसर आहे जिथे तुमची कार पण जात नाही आपला घोडा पण जात नाही पण इथूनच आम्ही साईट सीन पूर्ण कव्हर करतो. तर तुमचा टायमिंग आणि खर्च पण आमच्यामुळे वाचतो का आपण इथूनच तुम्हाला पॅराग्लायडिंग वाला पॉईंट पालनखेत गाव राजन हिंदुस्थानी म्हटलं 2 नद्याचा संगम शिवाजी महाराजांचा अर्ध उडगळ कमळगड हे साईट सीन पण कव्हर करतो.
We are currently at the tableland and this is how it looks. Now on the tableland it is basically the plateau. There are 5 plateaus and when you go for the horse riding the prices of it varies on what you're choosing for. Like is it a short ride or the very big ride. Now in that most of the things have been covered like say the scenic points and the and 2 caves, just depends on what you're choosing. And if you can even bargain, so even if there is a fixed prices for it, you can talk to the people over here and they can give you the concession for the same.
सेकंड नंबरचा आहे ते 6 झाडं बघते टावरच्या साईडला.
हाँ,
तिसरा एक चौथा तुम्ही गाडी लावली ना ताई
हाँ,
ते 5 त्यामुळे गावाचं नाव पडले पाचगणी. तुम्ही पाचगणी फिरायला आलाय ना ताई
हाँ,
इथे 45 गोल्डन स्कूल आहे. तारे जमीनपूर पिक्चर बघताय तुम्ही
बरोबर.
ती पण न्यू हायस्कूल आहे इथे. तुम्हाला साईड सीन मध्ये दाखवतो आम्ही. हे माउंटेन बघताय ताई हे आता आपण चाललो समुद्र किनारी पासून ना 4300 पिक्चर बघितलाय ताई माहिती आहे का. आणि 1 वर्षाचं गुप्ता गॅस होतं ते लपण्यासाठी इथं आलेले. त्यांचे पायचे ठसे पुढे बघण्यासाठी ते समोर दगड बघताय
हाँ,
तिथे 5 पांडवांचे पायचे ठसे बघा. नाशिक पंचवटी ऐकले ताई तुम्ही.
हो हो माहिती आहे.
हा सर तिथे कसे 5 पांडवांचे पायचे ठसे तसेच सेम इथे बघा. तुम्ही पावसाच्या दिवसात आलो ना ताई किनारा मावसून फिरलो ना दिसून येतात बघा. कारण इथे ब्रिटिश लोक होते ना सर पहिले पोलोग्राम ठेवायचे घोड्यावर. त्यासाठी 2 ते 3 फूट माती टाकलेली सर. आता पूर्ण दगड या दरवर्षी नगरपालिका माती टाकते. तिथे पुढे बघताय माती दरवर्षी टाकतात बघा कारण जास्त करून पाऊस इथेच पडतो नाही.
अच्छा.
मानलं तर देवी नाही तर पत्तर येत. तुम्ही नाही बघितलं आम्ही पण नाही बघितलं. जे पूर्वज बोलायचे तेच रिपीट करून सांगतो. तुम्ही मला पत्र बघता येत ताई जे बघा चाचीचं मकान दाखवलेलं. आमिर खान बघा लास्टला पोराला घेऊन पळतो जंगलात. या जंगलात शूटिंग झालेली बघा. हे समोरची झाडं बघताय हे गावठी जांभळाची झाडे आहेत बघा. ह्याला ग्रीन विल्ली बोलतात. 12 महिने पूर्ण ग्रीन असतं.
Tableland is completely like 6.5 kilometer long plateau. So you definitely require a horse to properly explore this place. It just depends upon what ride you want to go for. But I don't think it's practically possible to explore the places just by walking. And the tour guides are actually fantastic. They will give you a lot of information about the places, about the plateaus, and the history behind it. Now in front of us is the Tiger Cave. There will be a halt and there is no as such the time limitation. It just completely depends upon you how long you want to wait at one spot. They won't rush you at all for it. We are currently at the Tiger Cave. Now they are saying that there is the 20 rupees per person entry fee to go inside. For 2 seconds I was scared when he came out.
तिकडे टायगर राहायचे.
Huh?
40 वर्षापर्यंत.
This is the starting point of the Tiger Cave, and they say that the
Tigers
tiger
were here 40
40
years
years before. So it's quite dark. Do you think it's better we put on the lights?
दिसतंय ना?
No, but it's visible on the camera,
Oh.
but it's not visible like that. Okay, are you able to see it, sir?
Oh.
You can see that there's a small arrow. So once you're in the cave, you can figure it out. But it's way too dark.
तेव्हा तिकडे
Where?
टायगर ठेवलेलं तिकडे.
Okay. Alright. Inside the cave, you will randomly see the tiger, the plastic toy. It's scary. when you just see it like that. And this is the darkness inside. That's the exit point, and once you come outside, you will be over here. Personally, we both felt that 20 rupees is too much. There shouldn't be entry fee to come over here when you're already paying for the horse riding and it's been included in this. We are just done with horse riding in the tableland. Practically speaking, I don't find it worth paying that much. We were being said that you will be able to see the caves and it's very nice, it's very beautiful. But to be frank enough, it's not even a natural cave. It's just they put a statue of the Lord Shiva over there, and that's it. And it's the open dine-in, and it's definitely not worth. And if they would have told us before that there are the entry fees for the cave, we would have thought about it twice. But I don't think I would ever do this again over here.
Neither I would recommend anyone doing it.
Yeah, like thinking about the price is too much. Even if the government has got the prices on the board, but still people are following their own rules. They can just ask you to pay the random amount, and since you travel here for the first time, you're not pretty sure how much is the actual fees should be for it. So I guess it's just a personal choice. We paid around 4,400 for the whole tableland, excluding the entry fees for the caves, and we didn't visited the Pandav caves. We are currently at the Manama store. Now, just like Mapro, Manama is also very big. Yesterday we had been to the Mapro garden and we wanted to try mixers. The thing is, if you buy the mixers from Manama, that's the best, because this is more older than the Mapro. So we are just going to buy few of the mixers or the juices.
बेरी आणि राजबेरी तिथले आमचे लोकल फ्रुट्स आहेत
अच्छा.
ते तिन्हीचा मिळून हा मिक्स बेरी येतो.
मोहितो मध्ये काय काय आहे? लायमन मिंट आहे का?
आहे की लायमन मिंट आहे.
अच्छा.
मोहितो मध्ये एवढे सगळे फ्लेवर्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये.
So once you go in that shop and decide what you want to have it, then they will give you the product sample over here. Mojito is better.
Best.
We got two 750 ml bottles of mojito, and it costed around 528 rupees. Much reasonable price than what we were getting at the Mapro garden. Just besides to the Manama's factory outlet, there's a small garden, and those are the real ducks actually. So you can click very beautiful photographs over here. I had a plan to go to the Mapro garden today, but I'm not going to go because it's still going to be the same and they don't have the actual plantation as such. And we had a good photographs here now. It's actually best that if you're shopping at a different locations, don't get all the things at one place. Now we are in the minis to get the chickies and the chocolate fudge. We did got a couple of things from over here, and just besides to the mini chickie, there's a royal garden. We just had our food here and delicious meal with pretty good pricing.